In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a macro. The macro will enable you to insert an automatic footer in the left section. After we've done the recording, we will save the workbook as a macro enabled workbook. So let's get started. There's two ways of recording a macro. You can go to the View tab and select Macros, record a macro. Or you can click on this button here in the bottom left corner of your screen. This is also a macro button which allows you to record. When you need to record a macro, the macro must have a unique name. In this macro, we're going to call this the footer. We're going to keep all the default changes because we're not going to change anything. You can use a shortcut key if you need to, but we're not going to at this point. The moment you click OK, your macro will start recording. So let's record the macro. This also indicates it's recording. You can click the stop button to stop the macro when you're ready. So we need to get to the footer, go to page layout, go to the page setup dialog box launcher here. We need to go to the header and footer, custom footer, and in the left hand side you can see I've got the file name. We need the file name here, so you select this option which gives you and file. When you click OK, you should see the file name that you have already. You click OK. You can stop the macro. And now we're going to save this as a macro enabled workbook. Click on File, Save As, Browse. You look for the Z drive, or you can decide where you want to save it. I'm going to leave the file name as it is, but the type is important. Click on the drop down arrow and look for macro enabled. So Excel Macro Enabled Workbook. When you click Save, you created a macro enabled workbook.